Hey everyone, it is Julie here with JT Wealth. Today, we're taking a look at one penny stock that is in the artificial intelligence industry, and one analyst thinks has growth potential over 400% for this next year. We have a ton of information to cover, including that analyst price target, what it is that the company does, their upcoming earnings report, plus some details from their last one. So just before we get into all of that, this is your friendly reminder that if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and leave your thoughts in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to check out the TipRanks YouTube page, where you can catch me every single morning with my pre-market morning update, bringing you up to speed with everything you need to know before the opening bell, along with some other great stock videos. So make sure to check that out. And keep in mind, guys, with penny stocks, there is a lot of volatility and risk involved. These videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock. And with penny stocks, you need to make sure that you understand the risks and the time frame that you're looking at. These price targets are over the next year and are never guaranteed to actually materialize. So make sure you're doing your own research and due diligence before making any investment decision. Now, with all of that out of the way, let's get right into this penny stock, which I came across using the TipRanks penny stock screener. For my criteria, I wanted something with a neutral to outperform rating on the TipRanks Smart Score, upside potential over 20%, and I decided to look at the technology sector today. And at the top of my list, there was Renmark Holdings. Trading under the ticker MARK or M-A-R-K, they're currently just shy of $2 per share at $1.94. And they come in as an outperform with an 8 out of 10 on the TipRanks Smart Score, with very positive TipRanks investor sentiment and bullish blogger opinions. Now, as I said at the beginning, there is an analyst with a rating on this stock that thinks it could grow over 400%. In fact, his price target is $10.50 per share, which would be a 442% upside potential over this next year. That rating comes from Darren Aftahi from Roth Capital, and he is the only analyst with a rating on this stock. Darren is a 5-star analyst and comes in the top 100 analyst on TipRanks. Now, he has covered the Renmark stock for a while, as he has a total of 46 ratings on it. In this last year, 14 out of 23 of his ratings were profitable, with an average profit on the stock of 34.7%. So with all of that being said, let's get into what it is that Renmark Holdings does. They are a diversified global technology company with proprietary leading artificial intelligence solutions and a portfolio of digital media properties. Their Renmark AI falls under Can AI and Thermal and Biosafety, and they also have their digital media portfolio. Part of that digital media portfolio includes a founding stake in Sharecare, which is a leader in the online healthcare space. But today we're going to focus more on the artificial intelligence side of things, which involves their Can AI. Their easy-to-install AI products are being utilized across a wide range of applications within the retail, public safety, and workplace arenas. The industries that they focus on include retail, where they utilize existing cameras and strategic sensors placed throughout stores, smart city and public safety with traffic and fleet management, as well as surveillance for traffic violations, and workplace and food safety, from ensuring workers are wearing proper safety gear to frictionless entry at construction sites. Their retail solutions give retailers an edge by providing real-time customer analytics from the moment the customer enters the store through final purchase and every activity in between. Utilizing high-tech cameras and visual sensors, Renmark AI intelligently analyzes customer shopping behavior, such as time of store entry, browsing habits, and walking pattern, along with number of visits, whether they're a member or VIP, as well as their purchase history. Renmark AI provides the retailer with robust analytics to help make intelligent decisions about store layout and item placement and promotions, while keeping the customer's identity anonymous. They also won the master retail contract to transform China's top global telecom providers, Hanvan's, almost 18,000 corporate stores into smart retail stores. The master contract consists of $50 million for phase 1 and a few million US for phase 2. They also focus on workplace and food safety, monitoring real-time helmet wearing, early warning for unauthorized access to targeted areas, and intelligent visual supervision to increase safety during construction, as well as smart city and public safety. This includes traffic violation monitoring, road condition monitoring, and intelligence analysis. Also, big data analysis, which predicts road condition changes, analyzes urban functional zones, and assists in urban traffic road planning. But I think a big niche for them is the thermal and biosafety, especially following the pandemic we've been dealing with this past year, which includes a fever detection kit, a bispectral thermal camera coupled with intelligent identification and the tracking of people with high temperature up to 120 people per minute in the camera field of view. The built-in sophisticated algorithm identifies and transfers images of subjects with fever while issuing real-time detection alerts. The systems can be mounted on walls, tripods, or ceilings to scan a wider area. This allows for temperature checkpoints where the thermal imaging coupled with the face recognition gives you the ability to merge people's tracks with Face ID and temperature. So definitely a huge increase in the demand for that type of technology this past year, as I've seen different thermal check-in points at multiple businesses and offices. Now, other exciting news just came out yesterday for Renmark Holdings. They announced a deal to partner with Shrine Group as Shrine continues to grow its retail footprint in California. Now, Shrine currently operates 12 retail dispensaries in the state. Beginning with the Shrine's flagship Stizzy DTLA store in LA, they'll be adopting Renmark's retail AI platform to assist with customer service and marketing while providing state-of-the-art security via Renmark's award-winning computer vision AI. Renmark's CEO said that Renmark's well-established retail AI platform works with retailers to identify VIP customers, provide inventory management, heat mapping, and other functionalities that support a great customer experience. Additionally, the highly regulated cannabis industry requires best-of-breed security solutions, using our computer vision products to delineate security zones, access areas, and intrusion detection. Renmark Holdings' next quarterly earnings report is coming out next week on May 12th. At the beginning of April, analysts upgraded their expectations for their full fiscal year. They're expecting revenues of $34 million in 2021, which if met would reflect a sizable 231% increase over its sales for the past 12 months. The loss per share is anticipated to greatly reduce in the near-term future, narrowing 31% to 11 cents per share. Taking a look at their fiscal 2020 results, which came out on March 31st, management commented that after a challenging start to 2020 with the pandemic lockdowns in both China and the US, we saw significant positive momentum in our second half, and in particular the fourth quarter. Demand for their AI solutions came from schools, retail outlets, bank branches, and corporate facilities, and they expect demand momentum, particularly in the United States, to carry forward into 2021. Their revenue for the fiscal year 2020 doubled, going up $5 million to $10.1 million. Their gross profit improved to $3.7 million in fiscal 2020 from $1.5 million in 2019, and the overall gross profit margin improved to 37%. The company incurred an operating loss of $14.2 million in 2020, which was an improvement from the operating loss of $22.8 million in 2019, and their net loss from continuing operations totaled $13.7 million, or 16 cents per diluted share, again improving from a net loss of $23 million, or 52 cents per diluted share in the previous year. So things seem to be trending in the right direction, and it'll be exciting to see what numbers they come out with next week. So that is a big overview on the Renmark Holdings stock. I always love hearing from you guys, so make sure to leave your thoughts in the comments down below. As I said before, these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock and are just meant for information and entertainment purposes and to be a jumping off point for your further research and due diligence. Penny stocks are extremely volatile, there is a lot of risk involved, and results are never guaranteed, so just always approach with caution. Don't forget to head over to the TipRanks YouTube page to catch my daily pre-market morning update videos. Make sure you subscribe and say hello over there. If you made it all the way to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you back here next time.